Welcome. In this video we will speak about copy and paste for the formula. Now we make here a formula. It starts by equal and we select this cell plus this cell. As example, if we have anything from any material, as example type 1 and type 2, and we have number of this material every day, and we need to make equal for this two material on separate day. Okay, now I can take copy from this formula. How I can make this? I can take by Ctrl C and select here and put Ctrl V. Take care what he make. He take the same relation and put here. Here was B4 plus B5. When I put this here, he understand I need to put the same relation C4 plus C5. If I delete and I take Ctrl C and put here Ctrl V, take care, this 300 only. Why? Because he takes the same relation. If I press here and press here, he take this C5 plus C6. Okay, now you understand what the meaning of copy. But if I need to make copy for this by professional, I can put here until this coming and hold the mouse and make autofill like this. He will put the same function by easy way. I can make this for this also for the other function. I just put here, and if I press here, this is the sum function. I can make like this, and this average one can delete anyone from this and make this. Okay, this is what we need to speak about the copy and paste for formula. Thank you.